Okay, let's try some more examples. For this one, both of our fractions have a denominator of 5. So what should we do to get rid of the fractions? We should multiply both sides by 5. And on this side, 5 times 1/5 is 1, so that eliminates the fraction and the coefficient altogether. And on this side, 2/5 times 5 is 10/5, or 10 divided by 5, which works out to be 2. Distributing the 2 gives us 2x plus 18 on the right side of the equation. Now it's just a matter of subtracting 7 from both sides. Leaving us with negative x on this side. And 2x plus 21 on this side. Then you subtract your 2x from both sides. Leaving us with negative 3x equals 21. And dividing both sides by negative 3 leaves us with x equals negative 7. What should we multiply to get rid of the fraction here? If you said 3, you're correct. Remember, we have to multiply both sides So here, the 3 times 1/3 becomes 1 and eliminates our coefficient. And on this side, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Why don't you pause the video and finish solving it by yourself? Did you get x equals negative 6? If not, look at my work and figure out where you made your mistake. What should we multiply considering we have two fractions, 2/5 and 1/2? We need to find the least common multiple of 5 and 2. If you said 10, you'd be correct. So 2 times 10 is 20, divided by 5 is 4. And 10 times 1/2 is 5. Distributing the 4 gives us 4x minus 16 equals 5. Adding 16 to both sides gives us 4x equals 21. And then dividing both sides by 4 leaves us with x equals 21. Fourths. Promise you that's 21 fourths, although it doesn't look like it. This next example has a lot of fractions. If you look at the denominators, we have 3, 2, and 4. Think about what we could multiply to eliminate all of those fractions. If you said 12, you're correct. Let's multiply the whole thing by 12. So 12x divided by 3 leaves us with 4x. 1/2 times 12 is 6. 12x divided by 4 is 3x. And 3/4 times 12 is 36/4, and 36 divided by 4 is 9. And 12x divided by 3 is 4x. Pause the video and combine like terms to see what you get. X equals -6. Try these last two on your own. Pause the video, and when everyone's done, you can check to see if you're correct. Here, you should have multiplied through by 10, eliminating your fractions, and found x equals -13/8. And here, you should have multiplied through by 6, and found that x equals 15/20, which reduces to 3/4. Now, it's time for some whiteboard practice.